The global PPE market is expected to reach $123 billion by 2027, and the need to provide a technology to dispense gloves in a safe, controlled manner is more important than ever before, especially after COVID exposed the severity of viral contamination risk.
The disposable glove market grew to $10 billion in 2020, with higher demands from hospitals and healthcare institutions worldwide, at a time when close to half of the world's disposable gloves are thrown out before they are used because of tears or compromised exposure. And that's why we created INitrile, the American-made state-of-the-art patent disposable glove dispenser that reduces unnecessary waste and dangerous contamination.
INitrile solves the industry problem of compromised sterility and infection. The user will simply use their badge to trigger the machine. The machine will prompt the user to disinfect their hand using a built-in sanitizing system. After the sanitation is complete and verified, the machine will analyze the badge data to identify the user, the glove size, and the type of glove required. The machine will rotate to the appropriate tray, pick up the glove, it will inflate the glove, and prompt the user to insert their hand into a fully sanitized compartment before removing the glove for use. It's that simple.
Our direct impact on automated PPE tech has already been featured in multiple publications, include Business Wire, Yahoo Finance, Fox News Houston, and the Houston Business Journal.
INitrile is able to track who is using the gloves, which size are being used the most, and how quickly they need to be replenished. This built-in cloud-based software enables hospitals to streamline stock management and helps achieve significant saving in operating costs, reducing glove waste up to 40% in the first year.
Our parent company, Texas Medical Technologies, is rapidly growing, achieving $35 million in sales in the first year. In 2021, Texas Medical Technologies secured key strategic contracts, including a contract with the VA, which covers 350 hospitals, and a school district contract serving 11,500 schools in Texas, one of the largest school PPE contracts in the US. INitrile plans to leverage those key relationships to boost its sales and gain market share. INitrile aims to serve as the one-stop shop for your glove needs, from production to innovative glove dispensing technology. We plan to produce the gloves and empower it with our patent technology to position us as a leader in the new emerging PPE market here in the US. We are now on track to establish the largest glove factory plant in the country.
The global disposable glove market is on a track to expand at a compound annual growth of 11.2% through 2027.
With increasing demand in medical, pharmaceutical, automotive, and oil and gas industries, now is the time to invest.
My co-founders and I worked in PPE sales during the pandemic, and we saw the havoc created by over-reliance on overseas suppliers, the perfect storm of closed borders, government-imposed import restrictions, sky-high freight prices, and custom and inspection delays created PPE shortages that forced our frontline workers to take risk reusing potentially contaminated PPE out of sheer necessity.
Because INitrile makes our natural gloves here in the US, we are not reliant on foreign imports, and therefore are shielded from these dangerous shortages in times of crisis. Our manufacturing in Houston, Texas, ensures a steady supply of PPE that protects frontline workers with our quality product. It also creates local jobs, boosts the economy, and helps us secure large national contracts. Our company's slogan is "Empower America's Manufacturing Again." And though we are a US-based manufacturer, our development and factory plant team represent over 50 countries. This well-diverse team has a combined experience in supply and manufacturing, engineering, aerospace, IT, and software services. Help INitrile create American jobs, protect frontline workers and patients, decrease our dependence on foreign suppliers, and do well by doing good.
We may not always be in the wake of national health emergency, but we will always need to be ready to provide a steady supply of American-made technology and gloves.